Hi there. And welcome to this tutorial about Tripetto. In this video we're going to demonstrate the basics of how to create forms, by adding, and editing form questions in the Visual Form Builder. Let's have a look at it. On the screen, there's the actual builder on the left. That's where we visually compose our forms and logic flows. And on the right, you see the real-time preview of the form you're building. This shows us exactly how the form we're building will appear and react to its respondents. As you can see, there is currently nothing to show, because the form is still empty. In the builder on the left, the green bubble represents the beginning of your form. And the red bubble at the bottom represents the end of it. Right in between is where we'll build our form. To do so, we click the plus button in the middle. This creates our form's first question block, which we can start to edit right away by clicking on it. In this first question, we want to ask for the name of our respondent. We can start typing our question right away. And the real-time preview to the right of the screen immediately shows what we're doing. Next, we determine how we want the respondent to enter his reply by setting the right question type. In this case we'll use text single line by selecting it from the list of available question types. This will unlock all the additional features we can set for this question type, right here on the left. We can enable or disable any feature we want by clicking on it. Let's say we want a helpful description to go with this question. To do this, we enable the description feature so we can enter the description we want. On top of that, we may want this question to be required to fill out. And so, we also enable the required feature. Like this. And that's our first question. Now let's add a second question by hitting the plus button again, and then clicking the newly created question block. Let's say we now want to ask for our respondent's favorite color. Again, we can start typing the question right away. Next, we determine how we want the respondent to answer. For this question, we want to use the multiple choice question type, so we select that one from the list. This particular question type lets us create a list of answer options. In this case a list of colors to choose from. We can arrange the order of this list by dragging items and dropping them in the desired positions. And that's it for our second question. During all of our editing, the real-time preview on the right keeps showing what we're building. And we can constantly inspect and test our form there. So, that's how you build a simple form with Tripetto. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just contact us through our website. We're happy to help.